petition for the resignation of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to the honorable members of the Congress of the Philippines, the Supreme Court, and the Filipino people. We, the citizens of the Republic of the Philippines, numbering 16 million strong, hereby call for the immediate resignation of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. on the grounds of betrayal of public trust, corruption, economic mismanagement, and violations of national sovereignty. Grounds for resignation: corruption and misuse of public funds, alleged misappropriation of P60 billion from PhilHealth and other government funds, unauthorized withdrawal and mismanagement of national treasury and gold reserves, questionable use of confidential funds, without full transparency and accountability, betrayal of public trust, rising inflation, high food prices, and a worsening economic crisis under his administration, inability to provide effective solutions for poverty, reduction in national development, violation of national sovereignty, actions leading to the Philippines, renewed engagement with the International Criminal Court, ICC. Despite previous withdrawal and lack of local legal grounds, weak stance on foreign affairs, including compromises that endanger national security, our demands: immediate resignation of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to allow for a leader who will serve with integrity and accountability, an independent investigation into all alleged corruption and illegal transactions within the Marcos administration, reforms in government transparency to ensure public funds are protected and properly allocated. The people's voice cannot be ignored. With 16 million signatories demanding change, we urge Congress and the appropriate government bodies to take immediate action. If the President refuses to resign, we support all legal and constitutional means to remove him from office, including impeachment and public demonstrations. We stand united in our pursuit of justice, transparency, and a better future for the Filipino people. Date, March 17, 2025. Submitted to Congress of the Philippines, Supreme Court of the Philippines, Commission on Audit, Office of the Ombudsman, the Filipino people. This petition serves as a collective statement of the Filipino people's demand for good governance, integrity, and accountability. You can take down all your opponent, but bear in mind that you are under oath working for the Filipino people. Therefore, the voice of the people is the highest law.
Ito ay malakihan at tahasang cover-up sapagkat meron pong mananagot dito. Meron pong dapat makulong dito.
Nasa ng mga flood control? Nandyan ang mga flood control na overwhelmed lang.
Many months later.
Wala kaming makita. Kahit isang hollow block, isang ng simento, walang equipment dito. Lahat itong project na ito, ghost project.
The 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress. Sinabi ko yan. You know what? Nung araw sa time namin, pag may nag-mention sa previous budget, yung former chairman, tatayo kagad yan sa plenary. Magsasalita, question of privilege, individual and collective privilege, i-explain kung anong nangyari. Mr. Chairman, August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress?
Mr. Chair, here is the USB. Sinasabi, paano nagkaroon ng insert? Under the name of Congressman Saldico, ang insertion sa BICAM as proponent siya is 13,803,693,000. And we do not want to invite him as a resource person.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Comsec, can you show this? Para lang sabihin hindi ako
Mr. Chair, with due courtesy.
Wait, I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
No, Mr. Chair.
I have the floor.
Just to, on the
I have
record,
the floor.
On the record, Mr. Chair.
I have the floor.
We did not refuse to
I
invite.
have the floor.
Mr. Chair, suspend. Motion to suspend.
Mr.
Bakit po ito ninyo binili ang mahal na sasakyang ito?
Binili ko to dahil sa payong na to. Trip ko kasi yung brand. Flood control project is the best. So kaya mo to kinuha dahil
Kasi ito, may payong, oh. Natutuwa ako sa payong. Paano to?
sa payong.
Ayan. Pero hindi ko pinagagamit yung payong na to.
Hindi pwedeng gamitin.
Oo, kasi mahal yung payong.
Oo.
Ayan.
Ganda
So, ito
na.
yung payong niya.
So tingin isang payong yan.
Yes, on both sides.
Ayun.
So, yan yung
Okay.
feature niyang rolls na kaya ako siya nabili kasi tuwa ako sa payong.
Nagtagal naman ang ating quick fix sa ating flood control. Epoxy yan, pare!
Nadali
Bumili ka
mo.
naman, tibahan, baka sakaling dumikit pa yan. Ang ganda naman ng magkaka-epoxy nyo dito, kumpadre. Pwede pa to. Hindi, teka. Bibigyan natin ng pondo yan. 1 bilyon! Ha! Epoxy nyo buo yan!